Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Odyssey's oil life indicator. This simple process ensures your vehicle accurately tracks its maintenance schedule. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, verify that your multi-information display shows the current oil life percentage. Then, use the selector knob or buttons, typically found on your dashboard or steering wheel, to begin navigating the display menu. This initial step sets you up for a smooth reset. Once your display is active, press the menu button to bring up the main system menu. You will then need to scroll through the various options presented on the screen. Look for a selection labeled Maintenance or sometimes Vehicle Information. Carefully select this option to proceed. This action will lead you to a list of maintenance items, including the oil life monitor, which we are aiming to reset today. Take your time to ensure you select the correct menu item. Now that you are in the maintenance menu, highlight the oil life or maintenance minder option. This is the specific item we need to address. With the option highlighted, press and hold the SEL/reset button. You will need to hold it down for about 10 seconds. After this duration, the display will typically prompt you to confirm the reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the action. This step is crucial for successfully resetting the indicator. Upon successful completion, your vehicle's oil life display should now show 100%, indicating a fresh start. It is important to remember that this procedure only resets the electronic monitor. It does not perform an actual oil change. Always ensure you physically change your engine oil and filter when the oil life indicator suggests it is low, typically around 15%. Regular maintenance is key to your Honda Odyssey's longevity and performance. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.